What if I told you that right now, while you're watching this video, there's a version of you that could also be answering emails, researching your next project, scheduling your week, and writing reports, all at the same time? That's not science fiction anymore. That's an AI agent. And in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to build one yourself. No coding experience required. We're talking about a system that doesn't just answer questions like ChatGPT. It actually takes actions. It can browse the web, send data between apps, make decisions, and loop back to check its own work. It's basically a digital employee that never sleeps, never complains, and costs less than your Netflix subscription. And the craziest part, most people have no idea this is even possible yet. So let's change that. Welcome back to the Best Tech Zone. Let's get into it. Okay, before we build anything, I need you to understand one thing, because this is where most people get confused. There's a huge difference between a regular AI chatbot and an AI agent. A chatbot, like using Claude or ChatGPT on its own, is like texting a really smart friend. You ask a question, they answer. Done. The conversation ends there. An AI agent is completely different. An agent can think, decide what steps it needs to take to complete a goal, use tools, search the web, read files, send emails, call application program interfaces. Remember, want to keep context across a whole workflow. Loop, check its own output, and retry if something went wrong. Think of it like this. A chatbot is a consultant you call once. An AI agent is an employee you hire. And right now, in 2026, building one has never been easier. The tool we're going to use today is called N8N. It's a free, open-source automation platform. And when you connect it to an AI model like Claude or GPT-4, it becomes the brain of your very own agent. Every AI agent, no matter how complex, is built from just 3 things. Once you understand these, you can build basically anything. Number 1, the brain. This is the AI model itself. Claude, GPT-4, Gemini, whatever you prefer. This is what understands language, reasons through problems, and decides what to do next. It's the intelligence. Number 2, the tools. The brain is useless without tools. Tools are what allow the agent to do things in the real world. We're talking web search, Google Sheets, Gmail, Slack, a database, a calendar, anything connected through an API. In N8N, these are called nodes, and there are over 1,400 of them. Number 3, the trigger. Something has to start the agent. That could be a schedule, like every morning at 8 a.m., or an event, like receiving an email with a specific subject, or even a webhook that fires when something happens in another app. The trigger is what makes your agent autonomous. It runs without you lifting a finger. Brain plus tools plus trigger. That's it. That's an AI agent. Now let's actually build one. All right, for this demo, I'm going to build something practical and genuinely useful. A daily research agent. Every morning it wakes up, searches the web for the latest news in a topic you care about, summarizes everything with AI, and sends you a clean briefing straight to your email, completely hands-free. Step 1, head to n8rn.io and sign up for a free cloud account. If you prefer to run it locally, you can self-host it with Docker. Link in the description. Either way works. Step 2, create new workflow. Once you're in, click New Workflow. You'll see a blank canvas. This is where the magic happens. Step 3, add the trigger node. Click the plus button and search for Schedule Trigger. Set it to run every day at whatever time you want. 8 a.m. is my go-to. This is the heartbeat of your agent. Step 4, add the AI agent node. Now add the AI agent node. Inside this node, you're going to write what we call a system prompt. Basically, the instructions you're giving your agent. Here's what I typed. You are a research assistant. Your job is to search the web for the top 5 news stories about any topic you would like from the last 24 hours. For each story, give a 2-sentence summary and a 1-line takeaway. Keep the tone professional. Step 5, connect the web search tool. Inside the agent node, enable the web search tool. This is what lets your agent actually go out and find current information on the internet, not just pull from old training data. Step 6, add the email node, add a Gmail node, or use Outlook, whichever you prefer. Connect it to the output of your AI agent. Set the recipient as yourself. Give it a subject like your daily AI briefing and map the agent's output to the email body. Step 7. Hit save and test. Click test workflow and watch it run in real time. You'll literally see the agent thinking, searching, writing, and sending. The whole thing takes about 20 seconds. And there it is, a fully functional AI agent that works every single morning without you doing anything. That's the power of this. Okay, so that was just the beginning. Once you understand how agents work, the ideas start coming fast. Here are 3 more agents you can build with the exact same framework. Number 1, the Analytics agent connects to your Google Analytics or YouTube Studio, pulls your weekly stats, analyzes what's trending on your channel, and sends you a growth report every Sunday. Number 2, the Email Triage agent reads your inbox every morning, flags anything urgent, drafts replies for routine emails, and archives the junk. Some people using this have gotten back 2 hours of their day. Number 3, the Content Idea agent monitors trending topics in your niche across Reddit, X, and Google Trends, then generates a list of video or blog ideas tailored to your audience. Never run out of content again. And here's what blows my mind the most. You can chain these agents together. Agent A feeds data into Agent B, which triggers Agent C. You're not building a tool anymore. You're building a system, a pipeline that runs your digital life in the background while you focus on the stuff that actually matters. Look, we are living in one of the most genuinely wild moments in tech history. The gap between people who understand how to build with AI and people who don't is widening by the day. And the thing is, it's not about being a coder. It's not about having a computer science degree. It's about understanding how these tools work and being willing to spend an afternoon building something. You just watched someone build a working AI agent in under 10 minutes. Now it's your turn. If you want the full walkthrough with timestamps, template links, and the exact prompts I used today, all of that is in the description below. I also linked a free N8N template you can import in one click. Drop a comment and tell me, what's the first agent you're going to build? I would love to know your ideas. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need to hear this. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we cover the stuff that actually matters in tech. I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious.